Take a look at what just arrived. I'm gonna grab my jacket and head over to the park and do a quick review. It's time for an unboxing. Alright road trippers, I just got to the park and wanted to share with you the unboxing of this Trippy Outdoor Chair. So you can see the box, really nice design. See their logo right there. Pretty cool looking. Has a handle. See what we get inside. Alright, so what's it look like inside? Nice board, well packaged. Very cool looking. We'll put this aside for a second, see what else we get. It does come with a couple of stickers. TrippyOutdoor.com. It says farther out. Stay trippy, y'all. Very Texas. And then you get this, which has some directions for care on the back. So what else is in the box? Very cool. It comes with a mug as well. Nice ceramic. Very cool. And what's in this tube? Oh, what can it be? Let's see. Alright. Trippy Outdoor. Look at that. Pretty cool poster. That's where I'd like to be. Overlooking that beautiful waterfall. Yeah, right by those mountains in the back. So what about the actual chair? Well, it comes in two parts. You'll pull it apart. The seat portion, you can see it has been screwed in. Has some hex nuts. And right here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 magnets. And that's what holds it to the base. You can see the base, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts there. The wood feels very sturdy, very smooth. All right, so first up, the seat. It comes with two types of wood. One is maple, and the other one is an African wood called sapele. Both of them are beautiful. They're finished very well. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 magnets, and over here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 hex nuts. The finish is absolutely wonderful. It looks very nice. With the seat back, you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hex nuts. It has, you can see, several holes. A couple of them are for holding and carrying. And then there are some design features here. This looks like that's where your spine's gonna go. On the back side, there is this aluminum piece that the back will slide into. How is it on the sidewalk? Well, stable, of course. Nice to lay back, relax, watch a game. Very stable. Very comfortable. One thing I did notice is that this has a slight curvature. I think it makes it very comfortable. Also right here you have this groove and your spine kind of sits in this area, so it feels pretty good. Let's test it out on some clay. All right. Works pretty well. I was worried the clay I would sink in, but feels good. Works well. Comfortable. Can sit sideways. Hey, how are you? Lean back, really nice. Yeah. So this will be really exciting to try out on our trips over the next several months. We have a trip planned in about a week. We're headed to a whole bunch of places in Texas, so I hope you guys tune in to our channel, check out some of our content, and I'm excited to share how this chair does long term. So it looks like a solidly built product. It's very comfortable. It looks like it's handcrafted very well. I'm excited to see what it does over the next several months. From what I've researched, it's made in Texas, in the Fort Worth area. So if you are from America and you like buying American products, this one might be the one for you. All right, road trippers, that's my review for the Trippy Outdoor Chair. Thanks for watching. Bye.